Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kamala. The only thing is now we're gonna find one of these streets and go to the beach. It is very simple. I did it again. It was a little bit a nightmare because of the rain, but the sun is out. It's going to be a lovely video with the lovely content. So hopefully you enjoy it. Please, if you like it, give me a thumbs up, like the video, and leave me a comment. I believe based on my app on my phone, probably from Patong to here, roughly 9 kilometers, like walking. Obviously, yeah, that's what it shows on my app. So whatever, any of this street that I take south is gonna end up in the beach. So, but let me show you guys a little bit around, and then we go to the beach. Okay guys, I'm heading to the beach right now. Oh, it's a big hotel here in Kamala. Kamala is a very nice area too, guys. This is a guest house right there. See, for example, if you want to stay in this guest house, probably the price is much more reasonable. I don't know how much is it, but I'm sure it's very reasonable. Food corner restaurant. There's a lot of restaurants here. Restaurants and massage parlors. That was the massage lady calling me. I believe I took the same road last time when I was going 2 years ago. I did the same thing, guys. I did the same thing 2 years ago. Hello, Sawadee. So now I'm doing it with you guys. That's the only difference. Yeah, room for rent. Kamala is good for a long time. Like if you want to stay for a while here, I guess it's very quiet, very nice. It is close to the airport, you know. And I guess there's a nightlife and everything here too. I'm not sure. I haven't stayed here, but there's everything here, everything. The amount of businesses and restaurants that you see here is just like everywhere. So I'm assuming here is a food market and everything else here. So let's start from here. Oh wow, here is very busy too. Look at this. It is busy. Welcome guys, welcome to Kamala Beach. So I hope when you reach this point, I hope you're watching all my video up to now. And if you reach this point, now welcome to Kamala Beach. So please, 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 please subscribe and like my video. See what I'm doing? Nobody does. Look at this lovely Kamala Beach, guys. But you see the water, guys? It is not Freedom Beach or Paradise Beach water. Let me take you guys close. You see? See the water? That's why I'm telling you guys, if you come in here and if you want to see the best possible beach, let's see if you are on vacation, you just have 10 days vacation and then you just come in once at, blue moon, and you want to take the best possible pictures. So go to the Freedom Beach or go to Paradise Beach, because the picture that you're gonna have there is just lovely, and the water and the time. So obviously you can go and spend all day there, But I'm so glad that I have enough battery. You see, there's a lot of hotel, there's a lot of resort here next to water. And here is very busy too. You see guys, it's not quiet. So just rain stopped and everybody out now. So watch out, watch out. Okay, thanks. Look at the resort here, guys. It is just next to water. Oh, they have some sort of event too here. Hello, somebody come. Hello. So I'm walking a little bit fast, guys. I have limited battery, so I want to show you guys the whole Kamala Beach. So after that, I'm gonna grab something to eat and relax. Massages. Yeah, by the beach there is a lot of restaurants here in Kamala Beach, guys. We haven't reached there yet. Just like 2 more minutes and you're going to see there's a lot of options, a lot of restaurants. And everything that you hear, everything is Russian. Everything. Like every single individual that passed by is just Russian. And I have something like, really, I don't get it. Like, there is so many countries on earth, but the only Russian people traveling 24/7 everywhere. You go Vietnam, you go Philippines, you go to Thailand, you go to Indonesia, everywhere. I don't know, like, okay, if there is anything left, anybody left in Russia, because you go to Turkey, you go to Cyprus, you go anywhere, guys. So I don't know, like I don't understand. First, how they making money that they are with the kids. Most of them, young people, they have 2 kids. So traveling with 2 kids is not cheap. So first of all, I want to know how they're making money. God knows. Number 2. So hello, somebody. Like, just I want to know. Like seriously, what they do for living. I'm sure a lot of people know. Number 2, if there is anybody left in Russia, I don't get it. Like here, guys, like every single individual that passed by next to me is Russian. There's another resort here. Small hotel, but it's good next to water. If you're into these kind of things, I stayed many times in this type of a small hotel that next to water. It is very convenient if you want to just chill in the resort. And here, this is not the resort really, it's just a small hotel, but next to water. So there's a lot of restaurants here, there's a lot of everything. So the restaurants started, guys. You see, there's a lot of restaurants here. Hello, sawadika. So there's no shortage of anything. If you want to just stay and chill and not doing anything and going anywhere. All kind of food, all kind of stuff that you can do. Here they have everything. Hello, sawadika. How are you? You have a pizza too? Okay, great. Thank you. Okay, this is a really funky kind of restaurant. They have a pizza too. Today I'm gonna eat pizza. I cannot eat anymore. Seriously, I cannot eat any more Thai food. I'm just eating too much Thai food. I feel to eat some burger or some pizza. Although I'm getting fat, but it's okay. What can I do? Ooh. Hello, somebody cup. So guys, I gotta walk through here. Okay, you see guys, the water is not bad. I'm not saying it is bad. Really beautiful, you see that? But it is not Paradise Beach, or it is not, what is that? I forgot, man. Oh, yeah. It's too hot. Okay, whatever. Paradise Beach or the other beach. Hopefully I remember. So the water there is just unbelievable. But here is cool too. Really nice. I really like Kamala Beach too. A lot of people like Kamala Beach too. It is not too crowded. It is not crazy. Yeah. So that is it, guys. We did it. Oh, I'm exhausted, but seriously, guys, if you're thinking it's easy, do it once and you understand it is not easy. Oh. Kamala Beach is very good for family, you know. But be honest with you, I was thinking to change my hotel and go to another part of Phuket. But be honest with you, I'd rather to stay in my place and, you know, take the, you know, go bike or tuk-tuk to go and film other part of Phuket. I don't know. I haven't made my decision. I have to make my decision within 48 hours because my checkout is on 13. So basically, I have 2 days, including today, to make my decision what I'm gonna do next. Oh, there's a horse here too, and everybody Russian. Somehow a little bit annoying. Seriously, it's just like, I hope you understand what I'm saying. It's just annoying because, oops, what happened? Zoom to my face. Yeah, it's somehow a little bit annoying, be honest with you. It's just because everywhere you go is just like a million of them. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, lovely followers, lovely people, whoever that watching my videos, just I want to let you guys know that I walked from Patong Beach all the way here under the rain. So a little bit we had a delay because I had to find a shelter and stay somewhere for 1 hour, but it's okay. Finally we are here. There's a big kind of beach club right there in the end. Okay, I gotta film this for you guys because that's a very big beach club and a lot of events going on there. Obviously you have to be on top of the date and stuff like that, so it is not always, I guess, when it's a high season. I don't know. You should double check by yourself. It is a big club. It is a beach club actually, sorry. But apparently it's very famous. Last time when I was here 2 years ago, and I was seriously looking to purchase something, you know, here, Turkey, whatever. And I had a real estate agent. He was from Europe, I don't remember where. He left 11 years ago, and he said to me, Denmark or somewhere. So he said he never went back. So he built his life here, and he was a real estate agent. I don't know, he said his company or whatever, I don't know. So he was showing me around, and then he was showing me a few condominiums that wasn't finished. And if you watch my video, always I'm against that. Don't buy pre-construction that you don't know, especially in the country that you don't know what is going to happen. Especially now there's a lot of Chinese and Russian builders here. And I'm sure if you do research, you know why most of the project doesn't finish. And there is reason behind it. Anyways. So he was showing me some project here, and then he was showing me this beach club. And he said it's very famous and it's very expensive. Like, I don't know, when there is an event to get the table or whatever, it just costs a lot of money. I don't know, according to him, I have no idea, I've never been there. So this is the one. This is the one, guys. And the rain started and the party is started. Rain is finished and the party is started. This is the one. I have no idea what is the name. Oh, they did a little bit of renovation too, because that time here it was completely open. And there's a security and everything. So make sure people cannot get in. Hello, somebody come. This is the one. It is nice. So there's a swimming pool there. Yeah, so apparently there's a lot of event going on here at night and stuff like that. Last time when I was here, obviously it was a high season, and here it was full, absolutely full. So there's a few, I believe, again, beach club and the restaurants and the bars and stuff like that here. Really nice. You know, obviously now you see nobody here. The reason is because it was raining. It just stopped 30 minutes ago, and now people coming out. So what do you guys think? Tell me if you like Kamala Beach, which one so far? Patong Beach, Kamala Beach, or what is that? Paradise Beach, or what is the next one? Oh man, I forgot. It is so hot, guys. It really. Whew. Oh no, shoot. So after here I have to remove my shoes. I have my sneakers on. Guys, I'm not done yet. I gotta go sit, relax a little bit, eat something, drink some water, rest a little bit, and I have to walk back. I believe so far I walked around 10 kilometers. So roughly I have again 10 kilometers to go back. So I hope you guys enjoying it. I have only a few more minutes of battery, guys. Only a few minutes. Oh. You see some people dancing already. Okay guys, I guess I have like 7% battery life left, so I'm gonna film as much as I could. So the rain stopped, everybody's out enjoying. Lovely, man. I really love Kamala Beach. Oh, it was a tough day, guys, for me. You guys done. Now whoever watching this video, you guys front of your TV or laptop or phone or whatever, you guys watching this video, maybe you like it, maybe you watch 2 minutes, maybe you watch 10 minutes, maybe you watch nothing, but you don't know how much effort I have to put on this. You know, just sitting somewhere for 1.5 hours to continue, it is not easy. Just 1.5 hours sitting somewhere and just next to, you know, nowhere, in order for me to continue and come all the way here so I can film everything here. I know, maybe you say, who cares? None of my business. But just I want you guys to know it's not easy, man. It is not easy. Because all you're gonna get, judgment or dislike or whatever. No, I appreciate it. There's a lot of nice people that following my channel. I really love you guys. In reality, I have only few negative things. Usually 95% of comments and everything is very positive. But just I want to let you guys know that that's not easy. Seriously, I'm exhausted. I'm sure nobody does these things that I do. So this restaurant has a pizza, but I'm not sure what kind of pizza they're gonna have. I'd rather to go somewhere that have a good pizza. Yeah, it's getting busy, you see guys? Like 5 minutes ago I was walking here, nobody was here. Now everybody's out. Oh, there's another restaurant coming up here. Yeah, guys, I need to say goodbye. I'm gonna say goodbye, but I'm gonna film as much as I can because I have only, I guess, 3 or 4% left. So, guys, thank you for watching again. Please leave me a comment, just thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so I can continue. So again, I hope you guys enjoy it too. This is Kamala Beach. Guys, I'm on my way back to Patong Beach, and obviously I don't have no battery on my camera left, but I saw this, that it is really nice. The view is beautiful, so you guys gonna see it. I thought to myself, okay, I have only 10% battery on my phone, so let me film it. I'm sorry if it's shaking because just like I'm holding my camera, my phone, so it is not easy. Now look at this, guys. Look at this, beautiful. So I'm on my way back to Patong Beach, guys. But look at how lovely it is. Okay, there's a crazy dog here. Hold on a second. Okay guys, I have only few seconds battery left on my phone. So what I was saying, when you're taking cab, taxi, tuk-tuk, your bike, whatever, obviously you see this view. But when you're walking, it's just whole different ball game. So I thought to myself just to film for a few seconds this beautiful view on my way back to Patong Beach. Look how beautiful it is. Anyways guys, I hope you guys like it. Guys, I'm very close to Patong Beach on my way back from Kamala Beach. See what I find. I don't know where this water is coming from, but I find it is really nice. So I'm almost like 5 minutes, not 5 minutes, 10 minutes, I would say like 10 to 15 minutes to Patong Beach. But seriously, already I said goodbye, but when I was walking here, when I was walking back especially, because it got a little bit more busy, so now it's around like 2-3 o'clock, I don't know exactly what time is it. So do not do this. Like, I won't do this again because people is speeding so badly, especially the truck drivers and goddamn minivans. You know, these minivans, they do, you know, transportation, you know, from the hotels or whatever. Those guys, worse than fucking taxi here. Worse. It's the same mentality that they don't have a respect for nothing. All they know how to charge extra money. So almost few of them was hitting me. So these ones, I'm saying, this ones, it's the same concept of fucking taxis. So when I was walking back, like, I find it is extremely dangerous, guys. Extremely dangerous. Even for somebody like me that I did these kind of things for so many times, it's just not worth it. It's just not worth it. Because they are very aggressive. These ones, these minivans. This is like a taxi minivans. They're a bunch of assholes to me. You know, because few of them is just like almost hitting me. They don't care. They're the same mentality of fucking taxis. It's the same taxi, same shit. So anyways, I thought to myself to tell you guys that if you're planning to do this, no, don't do it. It is just not worth it. Really not worth it. Because it's just like, if they hit you or hit me or whatever, it's just like nightmare pretty much. End up in the hospital here is just like, and also I saw few, yeah, look, some of these guys is speeding so much and it's just not worth it. Probably I won't do that again. When I was going, I didn't have so much issue, but when I was coming back, guys, I had really few, really serious issue. And trust me, like a lot of people right now, people that driving here with the bike or driving with the car, most of them, like I would say at least 50-60 of them are drunk or high. Did you see these Russian people is just coming at me? I don't know, man. I don't know. That's like one of the most ignorant people on earth. So I don't know what these Thai people going through with these people. It's just mind-blowing. So anyways, yeah, you see, these minivans are crazy. So I don't recommend these things. Anybody do that, and I won't do it again. Especially somewhere like Phuket or Pattaya or whatever, that a lot of people is drunk or high. So anyways, I have to show you guys the end. I'm almost there. Cheers, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, we're going to finish the day with beautiful, lovely pizza. Today I was exhausted, but I need to eat this to get some energy. It looks good, lovely. I really like it.